Stories I'm a fool for your love.
Firstly, remove the engine cover. This is simply lifted off the engine. We can now access the cam sensor, the map sensor, and the boost sensor. To remove the cam sensor connector, first pull back the locking tab, then push down the releasing clip while pulling back the connector. Connect our cam harness plug to the cam sensor. Connect the factory cam sensor connector to the corresponding plug on the supplied wiring loom. Remove the map connector by first pulling back the locking tab and pushing down on its releasing tab and pulling back on the connector. Connect our map sensor harness plug to the map sensor. Connect the factory map connector to the corresponding plug on the supplied wiring loom. Remove the boost connector by first pulling back the locking tab, then pushing down on the releasing tab and pulling back the connector. Connect our boost harness plug to the boost sensor. Connect the factory boost connector to the corresponding plug on the supplied wiring loom. Connect the unit to the wiring loom, then place it into the provided protective bag. Route the tuning box and wiring harness away from direct heat or moving parts. Tidy the wiring harness with the cable ties provided. Replace the engine cover by pushing it back into place.
Stories I'm a fool for your love.